Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Acer Wi-Fi not working in Windows. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So you're going to simply search for services right here. You can just click on the Windows button to search for services. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this window right here. So you're going to scroll down until you see a button that says WLAN, which is going to be your Wi-Fi settings. So WLAN Wi-Fi right here, and you can find the WLAN autoconfig by clicking on the letter W on your keyboard and then scroll down to find this one. Then right click, go to properties, make sure that the service status is running. If not, click start, but before that just make sure that the startup type is set to automatic because it might be either disabled or manual. Then from here going to click apply, then OK. Once you do that, going to exit out. Then from here going to click for device manager. Once search for device manager, click on it. Then it's going to show you this window right here, and all you have to do is to search for the network adapters. Then you're going to go to the main network adapter that you have, which is probably going to be the name of the CPU as well, Intel R. Right click on it, and then you're going to go to properties. Then you're going to go to the advanced option, driver. Then from the driver, you can either update the driver and make sure that there's checking, or you can fully uninstall it if there's no drivers and then restart your computer, and that should reinstall it, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.